We finally got the PS5 at Walmart. We got lucky. It was the only one left.
And Black Friday.
Right, and this is a family gift for Christmas.
Yep.
It's mature PS5. 17. But it also was packaged $4.99 plus a $60 game called God of War. It's packaged with, so it was $5.50. This is the standard type. It takes the disc, comes with one controller, and then of course the God of War.
Yep, the games.
Play like never before. Lightning speed, breathtaking immersion, stunning games.
Yep.
Triangle, circle, X, square.
Yep.
Okay, let's unboxing.
PS5.
Yep, PS5, Sony PS5.
PlayStation 5.
Yep.
4K.
No seal on it.
4K. It is a 4K.
4K
120.
HDR. Yep, that's the TV we got there.
And
There
8K.
you go. Ta-ra! 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 Oh, laying down, RJ. There you go. And pull.
Oh.
Yeah. There you go. Don't rip, because we not know.
Open that side. Yeah.
Okay, return.
There you go.
Good.
Let me do it so you don't rip it.
No, don't do that. Good. Ta-ra! What's inside?
What is this?
RG, what's inside? Ooh!
So we got instructions and safety guide. Quick start guide,
Yep.
safety guide.
It's all white.
Yep.
Comes
And-
with a power cord.
Yep.
PS4 is black. Oh, that's
Oh, there's a controller.
Controller.
a
Let's
second
see.
controller.
And we bought one to be
Yep.
ready for 2-player.
Games.
That's Daddy and RJ.
Look at the other one.
I not like PlayStation. He cannot control. Here
Same.
is the other one. And have this one.
Do you care about getting it mixed up or not?
Yeah.
You don't care about that.
Yeah.
Not bad, that.
You do that every single time in PS4.
Ooh, what's that? It's a box. What's inside here? Ta-ra! Oh, a
There's the
butter.
base.
HDMI cable. What's this? Oh, this is HDMI.
Yep.
Yeah, this is the base.
Let's see. Oh yeah, it's the base here.
So we got a couple different cords here. We have USB and HDMI.
Yep.
Pretty sure this can turn. Yeah, so this can turn.
Let's see. Oh, okay.
This thing pushes in.
Yep.
Or there it is.
Ta-ra-ra.
Keep going.
Oh la la, RJ.
Wait, this is good.
Don't you have the
Somebody
code?
else will take it.
There he is. Okay.
Oh,
Get the other side.
go
Put
there.
it on the floor.
Ooh, look at that. Careful, you fall down. There you go.
The
Look, ta-ra.
PS5.
Wow,
Seven.
look at that.
And it's
Is
Oh,
it heavy?
yeah.
Look at that. Look how tall it is.
Let's see. Here it is.
Type C.
That's this, right?
Yep.
It has glowing lights around it here.
Yep. Okay, they turn around.
This is our
There it
own
is, the
package.
disc thing, tray,
Yeah.
and the
That's
back.
the back.
Here's the back, the vent.
Yep. Get the airflow.
Open it here. What's in here?
That's like the vent.
No, this.
Connector.
Yeah,
know
this
which
is
one's it.
For the
the
cables.
yeah for the cables here.
Here's the power.
Yep.
There's the logo.
Yep.
Our PS4 is very old, but we bought it in 2017.
And this came out 2 years ago. We finally got one.
Yep. Finally we
It's
got.
starting to hit the stores now. We were in Walmart and we asked the guy when these would be coming in. He says, I think we have one left. We went in the
Yeah.
back and got it.
I only had that PS4 for like 5 years. Then we were gonna have to play on the PS5. Backwards
Ta-da!
compatible.
Okay, that's it. The unboxing.
It's also backwards compatible, so you can play PS4 games.
Yep.
Yep.
All those games in there we have.
Yeah.
I'll play on it too.
Yep. Okay, and we connect this.
Yeah, this is the controller.
Yep.
There was like clear
What's
buttons.
new? Clear buttons.
Yeah, it's a mute button and the create button,
It's got a microphone
menu
on there.
button,
Yep.
and these are off to the side.
Where's the microphone?
And it has USB Type-C,
Yeah.
which is better for charging faster.
That's what we use this for.
Where's the microphone? This.
Microphone is here,
Oh, okay.
and here is what you use to charge the controller because we don't have a charger yet.
Yep.
This,
We have some in it.
it's your plugs into this. Type-C
Yeah.
plugs in like this.
You can play it still. You have to sit on the floor.
Yep. You just put like that.
Yeah, but when it's done charging,
Here's the power. Look it in.
it's wireless.
Yeah.
Right.
Yep.
It's gonna be faster to charge because of the USB Type-C.
Yeah.
Plug this in.
And the other.
Ah,
And the hub other. What's that? Oh, it's the
Oh.
power cord.
power cord.
People's heard.
There you go.
Okay.
There's the power cord. Put this back in again. I need it.
Yep. For that charge.
What is this? This Type-C?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smaller.
Yep. Look like a charger of
Side.
iPhone.
825 GB, I think.
Yep. Almost a terabyte.
Yeah, you download.
Yeah, but I don't know what this plug's for. Up here, it's a random plug.
To the TV direct.
When you push this button, it just lights up blue.
Yeah.
This is the power cord. Simple as that.
Lights
Yeah.
up blue because it hasn't been connected.
Okay, we connect now in the
Let's connect
TV.
it to the base.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna
Wait, the base.
oh, the base.
After we connect, we show.
Unplug this.
Okay.
Okay. Show you
To the
guys.
base.
Yeah.
Is that the back?
Okay, that's the base. Ooh,
Oh,
look
there
at
you
that. There it is. You can turn around now.
Problem is, where are we going to put it? We're going to take our
Let's
speaker.
see. Where is the part of the base? So you can turn around like that.
So it'll stand up somewhat stable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Next is we
Okay.
got to remove our PS4 and install this, and we'll be back.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, this is the final contents that we got out of the box. There's a bracket we put underneath, so we're going to lay ours horizontal. It came with this remote, this cable for charging, quick start guide, safety guide, and God of War. It's a special code you got to type in to get it. And then we have the power cord, and we have the HDMI.
That's all.
That's it. And then we went out and bought an extra one.
And
So
the
two-
base is under
for two
here.
pounds. Yep. I didn't want to lift it up.
Yep. Sure. There is the base.
Snaps on.
Yeah. Okay.
That's it.
Yun.
Okay. HDMI cable goes right here.
It's right here.
Right here.
Then the power. You
Power
put it
cord.
in.
Lean it down. Hold it like this. Put your hand up here. RJ. Yeah, now it's in. And that's it. We got the bottom base. I guess we're gonna put it in horizontal, like this.
Yep.
Put those cords in there now.
Okay.
There you go. There he is. Skirt it.
Okay, now pull the cords gently.
The blue
There
one.
is dim eye.
Okay.
So I can push the button and plug it. Okay, we're ready. Turn it on. I'll play.
Straight.
This isn't gonna turn it on though. Okay, now we just push this button right here.
Yeah.
She lit up. DirecTV, PlayStation. Picked it up.
Okay.
Look.
There it is.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah.
There he is.
Hey, look.
Ooh, there he is.
Oh no, there's no sound.
There he is.
I'm gonna. Select your language.
Yeah.
English.
Okay, after the internet connection.
Continue without disc.
Wait, back.
We don't have a disc.
Okay, that's good. Options for rest mode. Customize experience. Low power use. Custom. Nice.
Okay,
go.
go okay, I guess. PlayStation software license agreement.
Agreement.
Checkmark, I agree.
I agree.
Nobody reads that.
See ya.
PS5 system software will be updated. The PS5 will restart and start the update. Let's do it. We have to be patient. This
Oh
is
no.
supposed to be fast. It's a solid state. Look how
It's
fast it's
so long, this.
It's already a quarter of the way done.
Oh.
To get started while you're waiting, access the website.
Yeah.
Defective TV doesn't update. I have another one? So
There he is.
The same. That's the same thing for the PS4.
It's the logo.
They included a video called Sonic.
Let's go.
Sign in. Password, oo. Okay.
No, we're not.
See you next. Ooh, look at that.
This is you.
No, let's not put names next
It's
to it.
your avatar.
Just leave it as user one.
That.
Confirm and continue.
Yep. That's what they recommend, Data Clips.
Ooh, welcome to
Ports in the back.
PlayStation 5.
We might move that.
Here,
Look,
RJ.
it's white now.
Ooh, it's white.
Remember that external drive we bought?
A new version of the DualSense wireless controller stuff. This update will be quick and your console won't need to restart. Some features might not work properly if you
got
don't update.
Ta-da!
Restarting.
Ooh, look at
There it
that.
is. Let's see how good. Turn off the lights.
Okay, turn off now the light. Sony.
This
Ooh,
is a reinstall view.
look at that. Turn off all, RJ.
Not all. Let's leave one light on.
Leave that light on.
There you go.
Does the
There
volume
it
control
is.
work on the other?
Wait.
Close, RJ.
Wait.
Is it working? Yes.
Okay. I can feel it.
There it is.
See? Ooh, the
I can
shaking,
feel
huh?
it.
It's shaking.
I can feel it shaking, Daddy.
Yep. Where's the remote, RJ? The
Vibration.
volume. Ah, loud, eh?
That hurt my hand. And that.
Ooh, look at that.
This thing is so hard.
Look. Ooh. The other one. Look at the other one.
Look at this. Push it.
Yeah. Wow. Okay, go.
Daddy, push it.
Okay, go. Ooh.
And it's so surprised her. Touchpad.
Ooh. Next.
I think a touchpad.
Yep.
I want to write my name.
Okay.
Motion
Whoa. It's nice. Don't do that. It's so,
There, shake it.
yeah, hurt to the eyes. Don't do that.
You're supposed to shake it.
Don't shake. There you go.
Microphone.
Whoa. Look at there. There you. Okay, next.
Let's go. That was weird.
There you go.
TikTok 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Whoa, look at that. And see your hands, RJ.
I just launched Astro on my controller. I just went like this. Goodbye, Astro.
Okay, let's watch the movie.
It thinks I
Yes.
don't know how to do this.
Whoa.
That hurt.
You not know. Hey, jump. There you go.
What is this?
No, click the phone. There you go.
What are you? This is hard.
Oh,
Very nice.
got that.
What do you think of the graphics?
I like it.
That's on
Wow.
TV. Where's your TV?
Hey, look, it's all the parts of the PlayStation 5.
Inside.
I want to go inside this place. I'm scared though.
Ooh, look at that. No good for eyes. So,
No.
Well, he stays in that ball.
labo. Jump. Where you go?
Dad, I want you. Give me those coins. For you.
Oh. Oh, you know that, RJ?
I'm rich. What I got? Look at this. Gotcha, beginner.
Try some, RJ. Okay. Close. Huh. Okay guys, that's it for now guys. So long now. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye.